Hey guys, welcome to my official YouTube channel. My name is Nadine and I'm a Nigerian. I live and study here in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Guys, this is my first official YouTube video and I'm so hyped up about it. I've been wanting to start up this YouTube channel for a while now, but I'm finally here. So I'm so happy to be here. Anyway, so guys, I've gone ahead to just draft out some questions I've been answering here as a new YouTuber, and I got it from YouTube question tag. Yeah, so stay tuned, let's get started. Where are you from? I'm Nigerian and I'm from Imo State. Is this your first channel? This is my first YouTube channel and only YouTube channel for now. What is your channel all about? My channel is solely on fashion. I'll be creating content on fashion, sewing tutorials, fashion DIYs, pattern crafting. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please click on the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Why did you start your YouTube channel? So basically, I started this YouTube channel as a way of giving back to the community. I mean, I've learned a lot here. As a new fashion designer, somebody that is new to fashion, I started my journey here on YouTube. I learned a lot from here up until I went for upgrade, and here I am now, wanting to give back to the community. All my whole experiences, I'll be dropping them here. I'll be teaching, posting relatable content. And another thing why I started up my YouTube channel was just because I needed that push. I think YouTube will help me to be more creative. Being here on YouTube will make me post more content, get to know people get to know me more, and so on. Yeah. So what are your goals when it comes to YouTube? One thing I really want to achieve here on YouTube is to inspire people, a whole lot of people like me who want to start up their YouTube channel or their fashion journey without knowing where to start. I hope I'm posting relatable, educative, and informative content here. So if you are interested in fashion or anything I've said so far, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also share my videos. Thank you. What is the best thing about YouTube? I think for me, YouTube is just like a platform where you can post long videos. YouTube accepts 60-minute videos, like 1 hour video here, and it's really a nice thing for you to create content and see a platform for you to post at once. So that's one thing I love about YouTube, and it has greater community. It's a place where you can learn. Any advice for new YouTubers like me? As a new YouTuber, I have learned so much. I'm this kind of person that always say I will do something without getting started, and it's not a good thing. So my advice for you new YouTubers like me is, please just start somewhere. Start with your phone. You mustn't have a big camera for you start up your videos. Me, I'm using my cell phone and it's working perfectly for me. Please just start. Yeah. So guys, I'll be stopping here. So if you're interested in this kind of content, please click on the notification bell, so whenever I post videos, you'll be the first one to get notified. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.